Hello everyone, my name is Aike. On this channel you can find everything about sourdough, natural fermentation and Asian cuisine. I recently shared the gluten-free sourdough bread, so to make it you need the gluten-free sourdough starter. Today I will show you how to do this. Let's get started. This recipe is really simple. You need water and gluten-free flour. In our case, also thyme. Our goal of this video is not to have discarded starter, so we will start with a teaspoon of flour and teaspoon of water, and with 60 grams of flour and water. First day, we start with a teaspoon of flour, teaspoon of water, mix everything well, close your jar and wait 24 hours. On the second day, we need to renew our starter the same amount, 1 teaspoon of rice flour and 1 teaspoon of water. Mix everything well, close your jar and wait again for a day. On the third day, you need to renew your starter again. You can feel it starting to bubble and have some fermentation here. We need to put 2 teaspoons of rice flour and 2 teaspoons of water. Mix everything well and close the jar and wait again for a day. On the fourth day, the smell may be even stronger. It is a good sign and we need to renew our sourdough. We need to put 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything well, close the jar and wait 1 more day. On the 5th day, we need a scale to measure out flour and water. We need a bigger jar and mix 60 grams of sourdough, 60 grams of water and 60 grams of rice flour. Mix everything, close the jar and wait again for a day. On the 6th day, we are going to use our small jar because we are going to use only 50 grams of sourdough. Take 50 grams of sourdough, 50 grams of rice flour, 50 grams of water, mix everything together and wait a day for fermentation. On the 7th day, it will be the same, that we need to renew our sourdough. At 3 p.m., I have here 50 grams of sourdough, 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour. And mix everything and wait until it doubles in size, but it will be the same day. At 11 p.m. my sourdough doubled in size and now I need to renew it. Here I'm using a larger jar, mixing 60 grams of sourdough, 60 grams of water and 60 grams of rice flour. Mixing well and waiting until it doubles in size. And finally, on the 8th day, in the morning, my sourdough was ready. I made my first gluten-free bread the same day. If you are interested on recipes based on sourdough, follow my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you very much for your attention and for your support. Goodbye.